All right, and before we end for now, let's talk about Google Docs. So one of the other great apps to use with Prima is Google Docs. Why? Because you can generate documents based on a template. Here's the Google Docs logo. Here are the things you can do with it. So for example, you got a retainer agreement. It probably says almost the same thing for all your clients, at least in one or two different types of cases. Awesome. So draft your retainer agreement, and then you can put these like curly braces, double curly braces on one side, double curly braces on the other side, add text in the middle. That's your placeholder. I'll show you how that works in a second. But you can use the information from a Google form or from your Prima account or from a contact to fill in the blanks on your retainer agreement. Same deal with a promissory note or any other standardized type of document you need to use. So if you have a release of information or something like that, you can set triggers to generate those automatically when you create a certain case or when you sign up an individual so you have it ready. Let's take a closer look. Let's go to Google Docs. All right, that's the one we made. That's the one we made. Where did my template go? Give me 1 second. Okay, we're resuming. So here, for example, is a part of a retainer agreement, right? And what we've done is we've added the double curly braces on the left. And we label this one date. Double curly braces on the right. And the same thing, with full name, case name. Just with these few things, just populating the names. I mean, you don't have to do it manually then. It makes it go a little faster. So I've set this up in my Google Docs account, AAA retainer. Let's go to Zapier. And let's just say we want to create, when there's a new case created, that we're going to create a document from the template. So again, you choose your Prima facie options here. You're going to choose your Google document options here. So let's walk through these. It's new. We're going to create a document from template. Just like it tells you here, you can use these items as placeholders in your document. Very easy to do. Continue. Which Google Docs account do you want to use? That one. What do you want the template to look like? Well, we're going to pull this template and we're going to use these fields for the document name. We're going to store them all in this contracts folder in my Google Drive account. Here's the date that we pulled from the creation of the contact. Here's the full name. We just add the first name and last name coming from the case information from Prima. And we actually are using this as the case name. Depending on how you name your cases, you may or may not want it to be described as this case. The Dropbox extension name actually has more details in it right now for this particular case. So just take a look at those. Click continue. And there we go. We had sent that document, and here was the result. Here's the original. Here's the result. So it automatically populated the date. Okay, that's time code stuff, but you can see the date there. You can also reformat the date data if you want it to show up differently. Scurvy Bill, that's the name of the individual. This is what we put down for his case name. And there's ways you can pretty that up as well. So for example, if we go back into Zapier, let's say, oh, yeah, and look at this. Say then you want to save that to your Dropbox account. You can do that. And since your Prima, if you have Prima and you're using Dropbox, you're creating a new folder for that contact every time you create a new case or a new contact, right? So you can upload it right to their Dropbox as well. So you can set that to be automated. Won't go into that now just because I don't have my Dropbox account set up, but you can do that as well. So one last nice feature about Google Drive. You can use Google Docs. You can generate your retainers, your promissory notes, all of that with a click. You create a case in Prima now. So it'll save you some time. It generates very quickly. It's very responsive. I like how it works. You don't have to wait 5 minutes. It does it right away. And that's how easy it is to use Google Docs to generate documents automatically when you're creating cases inside of Prima. Now, Prima is your solution for immigration forms and case management. It is built to integrate with the best apps out there on the internet, including Clio, Prima Fascia. Well, I said Prima Fascia. We are Prima Fascia. Okay, so the best apps including Clio, Practice Panther, and the 1400 apps supported by Zapier. Have a great day.